Now, it's not common, but botulinum toxin to the jaw muscles can make you look older. Here's the science. Botulinum toxin relaxes and slims down a bulky jaw muscle to regain definition in the jawline. But for some people, this enlarged jaw muscle supports the saggy tissues in the lower parts of the face called the jowls. And when the jaw muscles shrink, the overlying tissues can lose their support, and this can worsen the appearance of jowls and sagging. Now, sagging and jowls are physiological signs of aging due to loss of structural support from diminishing fibers like collagen and elastin. You may also need to consider lifting and collagen building treatments together with your jaw Botox.